Our story research indicates this vehicle as being a great deal that is hard to find at this price, fuel efficient, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick with these ratings. We are pleased to show you the 2019 Rogue. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.5-liter engine, and comes with a continuously variable transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, blind spot monitor, rear spoiler, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, engine immobilizer, 4-wheel disc brakes, FWD. Inside you'll find backup camera, keyless entry, satellite radio, auxiliary audio input, steering wheel audio controls, security system, MP3 player, lane departure warning,